When it comes to home improvements that can boost property value, window replacement might not always be the first thing that comes to mind. However, in Sumter, where the climate can vary from humid summers to chilly winters, replacing your windows can be one of the most effective ways to increase your home's market value. Whether you're planning to sell soon or just want to enhance the comfort and aesthetics of your home, investing in new windows could pay off significantly. Enhancing curb appeal. First impressions matter when selling a home, and the exterior appearance of your property plays a huge role in how prospective buyers perceive it. Old, worn-out windows can give your home a tired, outdated look, while new, energy-efficient windows can transform its appearance and make it look more modern and well-maintained. Windows are a prominent feature on any home, and upgrading them can dramatically change the way the house is perceived from the street. In Sumter, where a variety of home styles, from historic houses to newer constructions, dot the landscape, replacing old windows with models that complement your home's architectural style can help it stand out in a positive way. With options ranging from sleek, contemporary designs to traditional styles, there's a window replacement solution to suit any aesthetic. Boosting energy efficiency. Another important factor that drives property value is energy efficiency. In a state like South Carolina, where summers are long and hot, and winters can be surprisingly cold, having energy-efficient windows can help homeowners save significantly on heating and cooling costs. Modern windows are designed with insulating properties that minimize heat loss in the winter and keep your home cooler in the summer. Replacing old, drafty windows with double-pane or triple-pane models will help to create a more comfortable indoor environment year-round. Not only will you notice a decrease in your energy bills, but potential buyers will also be attracted to the idea of owning a home that will save them money on utilities. Homes with superior energy efficiency are highly sought after, and windows play a key role in making this possible. Increasing natural light. Natural light is one of the most sought-after features in any home. Homes in Sumter that offer ample daylight tend to feel more spacious, inviting, and cozy. Over time, older windows can become foggy, cracked, or difficult to operate, which can limit the amount of natural light coming into your home. New windows, on the other hand, are designed to open and close smoothly, and their clear glass allows more light to filter in. By replacing your windows, you can let more sunlight into your home, brightening up your interiors and making the space feel larger and more welcoming. This simple change can have a big impact on your home's atmosphere and its overall appeal to potential buyers. Lowering maintenance costs. Old windows often require frequent repairs, which can be costly and time-consuming. Whether it's fixing broken seals, replacing rotting frames, or dealing with damaged glass, the ongoing maintenance of old windows can add up. In contrast, new windows are generally low maintenance, with features like vinyl frames that are resistant to moisture, rot, and peeling. By replacing your windows, you can reduce the amount of time and money spent on maintenance. This is particularly appealing to buyers who are looking for a home that doesn't come with a long list of immediate repairs. A home that's easy to maintain is always more attractive on the market, and replacing old windows can give you a competitive edge in the Sumter real estate market. Increasing home security. Security is a key consideration for many homebuyers. Older windows can sometimes be a weak point in your home's security system, as they may be easier to break into or may not lock properly. New windows come with advanced locking mechanisms and stronger glass options, adding an extra layer of protection for your home. For buyers in Sumter, the peace of mind knowing that their home is secure is a major selling point. In fact, a home with updated, secure windows could make the difference between a quick sale and a property that lingers on the market. Conclusion. Window replacement may seem like a small detail, but it can have a large impact on your property's value in Sumter. From improving curb appeal and energy efficiency to offering more natural light and enhancing security, new windows can make your home more attractive to buyers. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to make your home more comfortable and cost-effective, replacing old windows is a smart investment that can help you maximize your property's potential.